Charging your phone, earbuds, and watch with 3 different cables can get really annoying. Your desk becomes messy, cables get tangled, and every night you're plugging and unplugging chargers again. So I decided to simplify my setup. Today, we're unboxing a foldable 3-in-1 wireless charger from SEIBEN that can actually charge multiple Apple devices at the same time. What really caught my attention about this product is the design. It looks minimal, futuristic, and it's meant to replace multiple chargers with just one. Let's open the box and see what we get. Sliding the box open, the first thing inside is the wireless charging pad, neatly packed in plastic. Along with that, we also get a MagSafe metal ring. You can stick this onto your phone case so that it aligns magnetically with the charger. Also, we get a Type-C to Type-C cable which will be used to power this wireless charger. Now, let's take a closer look at the main product, which is definitely the center of attraction. It arrives folded into a compact shape and it actually feels very neat and well built. There's a magnetic force holding the panels together. Once we unfold it, you can see the full setup. There are 3 separate charging pads, so you can charge 3 devices at the same time. The first pad supports 15-watt wireless charging, which is mainly meant for your phone. The pad in the center supports 2.5-watt charging, specifically for an Apple Watch. What's interesting is that this section can actually pop out so you can place the watch around it. The third pad supports 5-watt charging, which works for AirPods or even other phone. Overall, the fit and finish looks pretty impressive. The back is clean with no unnecessary branding. Under the center pad, you will find the Type-C port, which is where the power is supplied. Another feature I really like is that this charger can also turn into a phone stand, just like this. Because of this magnetic alignment, the phone stays in place while charging. Since my phone case already has a MagSafe ring, it snaps in very easily. So, it works both as a charging station and a phone stand, which is actually very useful on a desk or bedside table. Now, let's power it on and see how it works. Plugging in the Type-C cable and switching it on. You'll notice there are 2 LED indicators on the charger. When the light is red, it means the pad is not charging anything, and when the device starts charging, the light turns blue. This is actually very helpful because sometimes wireless chargers don't align properly and you might not realize your phone isn't charging. So the LED light acts as a quick visual indicator. Let's test it. I'm placing my iPhone on the main pad and immediately charging starts. You can see the LED indicator turning blue. Now let me place my AirPods on the third pad and that starts charging as well. Finally, I'm placing another phone on the charger, and just like that, all the devices begin charging at the same time. You can see the indicators confirming everything is working. I don't currently have an Apple Watch to test the center pad, but based on the design, it should work the same way. Now, of course, wireless charging is slower than wired charging. It can roughly take 2 to 3 hours to charge a phone depending on the battery level. But honestly, I didn't buy this for speed. I bought it for convenience. Earlier, I used to deal with multiple charging cables, and sometimes in the morning when I was half asleep, I would pull the phone and the charging cable would come off with it. With wireless charging, you simply place the phone down and it starts charging. It's much simpler, especially for night charging. Another big advantage is how portable this charger is. You can just fold it back, put it in your pocket or bag and carry it easily while traveling. No need to carry multiple chargers anymore. And if you're wondering about the price, this charger costs around 2,700 on Amazon. Considering that it can charge 3 devices, fold for travel and double as a stand, I think it's a pretty practical gadget. This charger is best for people who use multiple Apple devices and want a cleaner desk or bedside setup. If you're someone who prefers convenience over charging speed, this can definitely be worth considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. and you can find the product link in the description below.